Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study our next point from the chapter polynomials, that is factor theorem. See, in case of last period we have studied the remainder theorem. If we substitute the value of the variable divisor or the value of the divisor into the polynomial, then we can obtain the remainder. Or the synthetic division method, regular division method. Now we have to study the factor theorem. It also depends on the value of the polynomial. See, suppose if a dividend is divided by a divisor, then if the remainder is 0, then that divisor is the factor of the dividend. That is, for example, suppose we divide 21 by 7. If we divide 21 by 7, then quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. Then 7 is the factor of 21. जेव्हा तो विभाजक जो आहे त्याने विभाज्याला भागला असता बाकी जर शून्य राहिली तर तो विभाजक त्या विभाज्याचा फॅक्टर आहे किंवा भाग आहे असं म्हटलं जातं. See, we will study one more example. I will read that example. If polynomial in the variable x, p of x, if p of x x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x minus 1. Is divided by x minus 1. Then find the remainder. Then find the remainder. We will find the remainder or the value of the polynomial. Therefore, p of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5, and the value of the variable is 1. Opposite of the minus 1 is plus 1. Therefore, p of 1 is equal to 1 with 3 plus 4 into 1 minus 5. Cube of 1 is 1 plus 4 minus 5. 1 plus 4, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. That is, value of that polynomial is 0. Value of the polynomial is 0. Therefore, if the remainder, by remainder theorem, if the remainder is 0, then that divisor is the factor of the dividend. Therefore, x minus 1 is the factor of the dividend. X minus 1 is factor of dividend. This is the theorem, factor theorem. If the remainder is 0, then divisor is the factor of dividend. We will take another example. If polynomial x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x plus 2 is divided by x plus 2. Then finally decide whether x plus 2 is the factor of the dividend or not. X plus 2 is the factor of the dividend or not. Therefore, we will substitute the value of that divisor into the dividend by the remainder theorem. Therefore, p of minus 2 plus 2, opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 bracket 2 plus 4 minus 2 minus 5. Cube of minus 2 minus 8 plus minus 4 2s are 8 minus 5 minus 8 minus 8 minus 5 is equal to minus, then 69 plus 21 minus 21. Q of minus 2 is equal to minus 21, and as the remainder is minus 21, therefore divisor is not a factor of dividend. Divisor is not a factor of dividend. This is the factor theorem. In this way you can solve the different examples. Here is one activity. Verify that x minus 1 is factor of polynomial x cube plus 4x minus 5. Same thing is there. Instead of x plus 2 we have to substitute value x minus 1. X minus 1 here is the x minus 1. It is the factor of the polynomial. Solve that activity. We will solve example from practice set 3.5. Example number 7. Example number 7. Use the factor theorem. Example number 7. Use the factor theorem to determine whether use the factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is a factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. P of x is x square plus 2x minus 3, and it is divided by x plus 3. We have to find out whether the x plus 3 is the factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. We have to find that whether this polynomial divided is the whether this divisor is the factor of divided. Then only we have to substitute the value of that डिवायझर. फक्त डिवायझरची किंमत टाका आणि त्याची टोटल पॉलिनॉमियलची किंमत काढली. बाकी जी असणार आहे किंवा टोटल व्हॅल्यू जी 0 असेल तर डिवायझर हा त्याचा फॅक्टर आहे डिवायडेंडचा. पी ऑफ अपोजिट प्लस 3 चा अपोजिट मायनस 3 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 मायनस 3 स्क्वेअर ऑफ मायनस 3 9 प्लस मायनस प्लस minus 2 3 are 6 minus 3 here 9 minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 0. Value of this polynomial for the value of variable minus 3 is 0. Therefore x plus 3 is the factor of x square plus 2x minus 3. That is divisor is the factor of dividend. This is the factor theorem. Take one more example, 10th example. We will take 10th example from the practice set 3.5. See, I will read that example. If x raised to 31 plus 31, if x raised to 31 plus 31, q of x, polynomial in the variable x is x raised to 31 plus 31 is divided by x plus 1. Is divided by x plus 1. Then find the remainder. This is our problem. While finding the remainder, only we have to substitute the value of the variable. Then value of the variable is divisor is x plus 1. Then value of the variable is minus 1. Only that value we have to substitute here. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to 31 plus 31. We know that if the any power of the 1 is 1, only the difference that we have to take into consideration about the sign. That is, if the power is odd number, then if it is negative number, then the value of that is also negative. If power is even number, though it is negative, then the value of that is positive. विषम घातांक असेल तर ऋण संख्येची किंमत ऋणच राहणार आहे. समघातांक असेल तर ऋणाची किंमत धन होणार आहे, पॉझिटिव्ह येणार आहे. इन दिस वे पॉवर ऑफ 1 इज ऑलवेज 1. एनी पॉवर ऑफ दी 1 इज ऑलवेज 1. एकचा किती घातांक असला तर तो एकच आहे. फक्त प्रश्न हा ऋण किंवा धनाचा आहे, पॉझिटिव्हचा किंवा निगेटिव्हचा आहे. here -1 plus 31. इथं मायनसच राहणार आहे, ऑड नंबर आहे -1. minus 1 plus 31, 30, p of minus 1. The value of this is 30. त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती येणार आहे? 30 येणार आहे. आणि एक्झाम्पल नंबर 11, 12, 13 हे या वर्षासाठी इलिमिनेट केलेले आहेत सिलेबसमधनं. म्हणजे 3.5 मधले गेल्या वेळेस आपण काय उदाहरणं सोडवली, आत्ताही सोडवली. राहिलेली काय 2-3 उदाहरणं आहेत, तुम्ही ते घरी प्रॅक्टिस म्हणून सोडवा. काय अडचण असेल तर विचारा. ओके, वी विल सी टू दी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर or continue our next point, factors of a polynomial, into the next lecture. Okay, thank you.